This virus has been a threat to all of us, but it also has connected all of us in terms of whether we're wearing masks, trying to get our vaccines, trying to figure out how to have our kids go to school safely or be in the workforce.
The CDC Foundation is unique among philanthropic organizations in the United States. It brings together and unites the private and public sectors in ways that not many other groups are able to do so, to achieve the shared goal of good health for all.
As the vaccines became available, one of the areas that became a real concern across the country is, could we have the equitable distribution of vaccines? So what we ended up doing at the foundation is partnering with numerous community-based organizations, literally hundreds across the country, where we provided financial support to the community-based organizations, as well as technical support, and we created a community of CBOs.
The CDC Foundation funds helped to support the immediacy of what was happening in our communities, to build and solidify partnerships over time to address a pandemic, but also health inequities in our community.
So in partnership with the CDC Foundation, we were able to quickly support frontline healthcare workers in hard-hit states like Washington, California, New York, and Louisiana, deploying emergency staffing on the front lines and delivering millions of pieces of PPE and critical equipment to healthcare facilities.
We've done additional work throughout this last year on the opioid crisis, helping communities, working with CDC and partners on the ground to try to overcome this real tragedy that's taking place in our country.
Achieving health equity in this country is a goal we must reach and not simply something to pay lip service to. The CDC Foundation can help lead this effort by taking on projects that are specifically designed to address issues related to health equity, and most importantly, ensuring that regardless of what the project is, health equity is front and center in carrying out that work.
So throughout the pandemic, we have seen the stress and the isolation, the disruption to our lives. So many people have suffered from mental health issues. How Right Now is an online tool that folks can go to, and it will ask you questions about how are you feeling right now. It will lead you to local resources that you can access, as well as information that you can read about right there online.
I would encourage other foundations and other organizations to support the CDC Foundation because they're a collaborator, a convener, and a catalyst for action, for driving high-impact programs that improve the lives of millions of people across the world, truly putting action behind their belief that together our impact is greater.
Each and every donor, regardless of the size of the donation, matters because it gives us that flexibility and ability to respond to the public health needs that we're being asked to respond to every single day in a variety of areas. Thanks to our donors, CDC Foundation has been able to have impact at every level, local, state, federal, and global throughout the pandemic.